So hello and welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna make how to replace the battery on MK4 Ford Focus. This one is 1.5 diesel engine, but similar to all. What you're gonna need, 7, and that 7 is for the clamp from the air filter. You're gonna be needing 13, so 13 for here. This one you don't need. You will need to unscrew this one, and you're gonna be needing a number 10. So 10 is here for the minus, for this socket over here. This one is something that you need to take out, and for the plus. So that's for the 10s. So once you took out this 10 over here, unplug this jack. You need to unplug this one, take the minus clamp off, put it somewhere in the back so you don't it's not in your way, and then you need to take out this 13, and you need to take it full out. Don't lose it, please don't lose it. You really don't want that headache. So, and then you take out, usually these are here. As you can see here, it has a holder that goes inside of this hole. So yeah, usually you need to unclamp that out. So once you took out this, put it somewhere here so it does not come in your way. Take out the plus clamp, and basically after that unscrew the 7 from the air filter. So I'm gonna unscrew this. Don't need to take it full, just as much as you need to take this out. So as you can see here, you can even take this out. So like this, and then you can take the air filter out, because it's gonna be in your way and you don't really want to do that. Air filter also has this hole over here, but it's just in the click. I don't have it right now, so but yeah, basically that's about that. So now after you took this one as well, you took this out. So once again, don't lose it because you're gonna need it. Usually I would say there is another 10 down there. So, but what I do basically is just take it around. So after that, only thing you have to do, put a little bit up and take it out. As you can see over here, even with one hand, it's not that hard. So always remove these cables all around, and then you take it back. Usually everything is kind of easier with 2 hands, but okay, we do like our. So put that back, you put that back, you have your screw, you take it in, you screw it inside, you put your plus, you put your other plus over here, your 13. But maybe before doing this plus and all this stuff, you should put your air filter back inside. So taking your air filter back inside, it has three places where you need to click it. You take your air filter in. There is your here for the MAF sensor, or what's called air sensor. That's a 7, so you will need a 7. Screw it back, put that other plastic inside and move on on the tents. So this one, the minus, the plus. So, and then after that you clamp you will need your 13, and don't forget to plug. Okay, I put the 13 here, so here. Don't forget to plug in this. So, and that's that. It was a request from a subscriber, so I hope it did help you. So anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and I hope I can see you in next one. So till next one, if you have any questions, leave comment below, and yeah, thank you and see you.